Right, day 8.
Day 8.
And we are in Pancora Island.
On Pancora Island.
What did I say?
Correct grammar, please.
Yes. But so basically on our own on this island, it's pretty much just a resort and a few other things like that.
Yeah.
Of course. So our last night in Penang, which is great. We got to go on a rickshaw.
Yeah, that was magnificent.
It's something like 25 ringgit, and
Yeah.
it's the coolest way to get anywhere.
Seriously, 25 ringgit, that's nothing.
You were just sitting in the front, the guys pedaling, and for me, the highlight was when we're just going down and we see a few other rickshaw drivers, and our driver just starts heckling them in Malay.
Yeah, he just starts and then I used to go, oh, this is fun, I'm gonna do this in English. So I shout out to them, I look at them, go, hey, where's your customers? No, they probably didn't understand me because I was shouting really awkward.
But burn.
But burn, ouch. Ouch. But yeah.
Yeah, so it was about a 4-hour drive to get here. Well, we got here and then there was a half-hour ferry ride.
Ferry ride. That was painful.
Yes.
It was so hot. It was stinking hot in the ferry ride.
Which we almost vlogged from, and we might do that on the way back.
Yeah, if we get a seat near the air conditioner, we will try and do
Yes.
a vlog. Because there were about 3 air conditioners. There was one at the front, ultra powerful, only lasted about 1 meter though.
Yeah.
Same at the back, and there was one box thing in the middle about that
Which
big.
everyone sort of just gathered
And all
around.
it does is blows it about that far.
So we've got a bit of a different thing today. We have some questions from the viewers. Do you want to start there?
Oh yes, okay. Here's a good one. Why do you refer to Hal as Howard?
Well, allow me to fill this one. The name Howard is a combination of Hal, his first name, and Haywood, his second name. Hal Wood.
It is, yes.
Interesting fact. Question here. What happened to Robin's glasses? Next question. What happened to the iPod freezing tally? Well, what happened to it was it's been strangely reliable these last few days, and
It's just not like itself. Like,
although today it has frozen once more, which brings the tally up to
ding.
very impressive.
Yes.
Yes.
What was the number again?
7, I think.
We're not sure, but we'll have to check later.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. One of my questions now.
Next question.
I was watching day 4's episode and I was wondering if you guys like Wrigley's extra sugar-free gum.
I love it.
We love it, seriously.
That is a quality product.
I had at least 5 pieces on the bus on the way here.
Oh, I had 5 boxes.
And the way unlike every other gum, it actually makes your breath like mintier.
Oh, and it's good for plaque.
Good for plaque.
It cleans plaque. Exactly.
Yes, and you can get it in many different flavors, so you can be picky about it as well.
Alright, got one last question here. From our very first episode, was that real lightning?
I'll answer this
Dumb
one.
question, first of all.
We aren't cheap wannabes who just like
No.
try to enhance.
I mean, what do you think it was? Like a camera?
Seriously.
It's just flashing away taking photos. I'm insulted.
It's not cool.
They're not cool.
How do you think it makes us feel?
Yeah.
But there is one question I've wanted to ask.
I think I know what this is.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Who's sending us all these questions?
Yeah, I mean, we've just got these little paper pieces of paper he was writing on.
And fancy that, Pancora Island Beach Resort, Malaysia. It's closer than you think. But
Wait, sorry. You hear that?
yes, I heard.
Hang on.
We'll check this out.
What is going on
Got my
here?
trusty little flashlight here.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? On 3.
No, wait. But Henry, you want to get this? I mean,
Get in here, man. Get in here.
what is going on? I
Okay.
want to know this.
1,
2,
3.
Oh my god, do you mind? Seriously.
What is this?
Let's just close that. Yes. One more day in Pancora Island. See you tomorrow.
Bye.